The converter is a very critical part of your car's exhaust system that cleans up harmful gases before they leave up the tailpipe. When it fails, you will likely notice a drop in performance, unusual smell, or an illuminated check engine light. Think of the catalytic converter as a chemical reactor for your car's pollution. It uses precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium as catalysts to speed up chemical reactions that transform toxic exhaust into harmless substance. It breaks down carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, and hydrocarbon. Carbon monoxide will get converted to carbon dioxide by oxidation reaction inside the catalytic converter by simply adding oxygen. Oxides of nitrogen that can cause smoke and acid rain if not attended will be converted to pure nitrogen and oxygen by reduction reaction, which takes place by removing oxygen. Unburned hydrocarbon can contribute to smoke if left unattended, so it will get converted to carbon dioxide and water by oxidation reaction inside the catalytic converter. Now, to work efficiently, the catalytic converter needs to reach a high temperature, around 400 to 800 degrees centigrade. A common type is a three-way catalytic converter, which handles carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, and hydrocarbon. Now, what are some of the symptoms of bad converter? A failing converter often becomes clogged, creating back pressure that prevents exhaust from escaping. This can seriously hurt engine performance. So, some of the common symptoms include poor engine performance, for example. You will notice a significant lack of power when accelerating, especially when going uphill. The car may feel like it is suffocating, and you might experience engine misfire or even difficulty starting your engine. Illuminated check engine light is another symptom. Your car's computer monitors converter efficiency. If it detects a problem, the check engine light will turn on. Common error codes include P0420 bank 1 and P0430, which is for bank 2, indicating low catalytic converter efficiency. And a strong smell of sulfur or rotten egg from the exhaust is a classic symptom. This happens when unburned fuel overloads the catalytic converter, causing it to produce hydrogen sulfide. Decreased fuel economy is another symptom. A clogged converter makes the engine work harder, often increasing fuel consumption by 10 to 25%. You may find yourself visiting the gas station more frequent. And if there is some mechanical damage, you might hear rattling noise, or sometimes overheating catalytic converter might result. If the internal ceramic honeycomb structure breaks apart, you might hear a rattling sound from under the car. A severely damaged converter can also overheat, which may cause the car underbody to glow red or becomes discolored.